Hi, my name is Richard Musil, Director of Client Service and Operations for Manhattan College ITS. What that means is I'm responsible for computer lab and classroom technology, service desk, and technology training on campus. The purpose of this video is to ensure a smooth transition for you into Manhattan College. So first, let me quickly welcome you to the college. A little bit about the college. Manhattan College has about 800 faculty, staff, and administrators, about 4,000 students. So as you could imagine, it's a close-knit community. So ITS at Manhattan College is we look at it as the foundation upon which everything gets built. If you think about it, not all, but the majority of Manhattan College employees will be using some form of technology as part of their work and building their work with that technology. We want to ensure that the technology you use to do your job runs smoothly every time. And we do that with one of our main goals, exceptional customer service. We want to ensure that every interaction that you have with ITS is excellent every time and that we're always able to provide you with a resolution. We do that with our lifeblood, which is our STARS, our Student Technology and Resource Specialists. These are students at Manhattan College that we hire, train, and deploy to help you on a daily basis. So what does Manhattan College strive to do here? We look at enhancing technology, whether that be in a classroom or an office. Is there a better technology that will allow you to do your job more efficiently? We're there to partner with you to help you find that and deploy that. We also want to remove any pain points. So we'll meet with your team and help you identify pain points and figure out ways to remove them, whether that be a training session on a technology or whether that be a new technology. Another thing that we also do is strive to provide you with the self-service that you need. So we have a knowledge base that we're constantly building out so that if you have a question, you don't even necessarily need to call us. You can go out to that knowledge base and find the information you need to move forward. So again, I want to thank you for watching this video and welcome you to the college.